Okay, this is a week 3 podcast. No face-to-face class this week. Looking at very quickly covering what's due. Briefly, you just have a set up your GitHub account and submit a final app idea and discussion. This link here is to a slideshow over what I'm getting ready to go over in the video. Week 3 reading, get to know GitHub. Basically, it gives everyone access to all of your source control and the ability to share code with others. So step 1, you need to create a GitHub account first and install the software. You're going to create the GitHub account with your @student.rockvalleycollege.edu email address. You'll click on this link to download and install for Mac or Windows. Once you've done that step 1, step 2, you'll go to this link here and request a discount-free private account, up to 5 private accounts on that. Once GitHub program's installed on your computer, you can log in. You'll have 2 screens to fill out with your name, email that you use to set up in your GitHub account. When it gets done, it'll ask to search your local repository, and do not search. Do not allow it to search. If you want, you can set up your own private avatar, which I'm not requiring, but I recommend. Read about GitHub for Mac help, which will apply somewhat to Windows as well. And how to create a GitHub repo from Xcode projects. You'll click this link to find out how to do that. We'll do that in class, by the way, first part of class on Monday. That's the podcast you're watching. Here's the steps of how to set up, or when you set up your GitHub account and you need to submit your username here. Just your username and email below is what you want to submit. And then this link here goes over using GitHub. Click on that and read it, go over it. Your assignment for this week is to complete or decide on a final app idea. So read all of the steps here. Goes over, and starting week 12, about you'll be working full-time on your final app. On the last week of class, you'll present your final app idea, your prototype. And so this week, you're going to be thinking of and creating an idea. And so you can click on this link to see some past apps that have been submitted. Again, last 4 weeks, 100% of app creation devoted to class time. Milestones. This is just a rough draft of what we should be shooting for. Here's some links to some resources that would help you create an app idea, and some other things of what to do. Once you're finished, what I want you to do is submit an app title, description of the app, and your target audience. Like it might be for kids, it might be for adults, it might be for all. Again, you can choose whatever target audience you want and submit that. And finally, your discussion, what's important about GitHub. And that concludes this week's podcast. See you Monday.